Ready, Huddy? You look at it and you go, hello.
Yeah.
I love how you make us late for coffee because you had to go get your sunnies from the car.
I'm making us late. Okay, that 3-second detour that I took.
Oh, Huddy's tired.
Huddy, go to sleep.
Oh my gosh! Huddy! Huddy, stop! Stop!
He's like, how good's the retina display on this iPhone?
Huddy, stop! Stop!
Hey Huddy, can you clap? Do something different.
Yay!
Okay.
Huddy,
Woof.
ready? This is my favourite thing ever.
Bow wow.
Huddy, what sound does a horse make?
Oh.
And what sound does a cow make? We're never gonna get a parko.
That's the spirit tea.
Well, it's time where everyone just arrives. Yo!
Why don't we just park there? Straight in.
Wonderful.
Mommy, let's put some shoes on.
Okay, we can put some shoes on.
Mommy, you haven't got no shoes on. Your shoes are going.
I have shoes on.
You have shoes
Hey.
on, Mom?
Huddy.
Mommy, do you have shoes on?
Yeah.
Can't wait to watch this vlog.
Mommy, did you put your shoes on?
Heads, shoulders, knees and vents.
Oh.
How good are Toyota Hiaces? Ready, Huddy? You look at it and you go, hello.
Yeah.
You say, hey Lucas.
Yes.
You go, hey Lucas, I'm going to get a haircut. You say, do you want one too?
Yeah.
Do you want one too, Lucas? Do you want a haircut? Do you want to just
Come with me.
say, let's go?
Let's go.
Jeez.
Oh, you got a lollipop too?
Huddy too. Huddy's haircut. Jeez.
Oh, it's Huddy's is definitely like tidier, don't you reckon?
Oh, that's much shorter. Yeah.
I know you wanted it a lot shorter for Huddy, didn't you?
Several days later.
Kev?
Were you gonna ask me something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Will you do me a favour?
Just pointing the camera at me.
I know, because I want to get your reaction.
Because I'm so funny.
No, I want to
Yes.
get your reaction to me asking if you'll take the tag off my top, please.
What? Oh, yes. Absolutely, because you never remove them.
I did.
Oh, good job. Wow, wow.
But the string's still on it.
First time for everything.
Dee, I love you.
I got the nickel. Nickel.
Is that Huddy?
I got the nickel.
I'm loving it up now. What have you got, Huddy?
Cement.
Sandwich. What have you got? What is it? Is it a sandwich too? Yeah.
Cement.
Sandwich.
And I've got a Nutella.
Nutella sandwich. So it's done in the afternoon with sugar, which is wonderful. If you're a parent, you know, love sugar in the afternoon. Kev isn't here right now because we've been having issues with our Jeep again, and we've just had enough. So we're going for something more reliable, and let's see what he comes home with. So Kev said he won't be too far away, so we're just gonna hang outside until he arrives. We've got Jaxie holding the door for us.
Here's another one.
Yeah, it's a palm. Get in the Jeep. I'm so confused.
You know how usually people go, I bought a Jeep.
Yeah.
I sold a Jeep. Bought a Nissan X-Trail.
Oh, what?
Nissan X-Trail. On your buddy. Yeah, so we bought a car. And then once Qantas to pick it up, so we'll probably have it next week.
It's a wizard.
Do you want to go do something?
If you want to.
Take the footy down to the park or something? Kids footy, or do you want to go for a walk? Go on, Vegas.
Jigsy!
Hey, look, Huddy, look.
Well, we will be picking up the car later. We're just out just to tire out the kids before we get them ready for bed. So, here we go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Pet cockatoo in the
I
car.
can't.
Monkey.
That was.
Bye, Cuppy.
I don't know if you guys can see it on here, but in that car there's a cockatoo. And it's just like having a big chat. Lucas! Come on. Is he talking to you?
Hang on, we'll put this on first.
Several days later.
Huddy, can you put some on? Lucas, wait. Are you finished?
Lucas, you need
Mummy's got to do your arms too.
There's none in there.
What?
There's like none in there.
Oh no.
I don't want some more.
You need more. Especially you, Huddy. You're a bit...
No.
Okay.
Hey Lucas. Lucas, come here. Come here. Hey Lucas. Lucas, can you tell me? Lucas, come here. You talk to me? Hey Lucas, tell me.
Please don't do that.
Tell me, where are we? Lucas,
At the beach.
where are we?
At the beach.
At
Okay,
the beach.
stand up.
What are we going to do here at the beach?
We need
Hey?
to
Gotta
take your shirt off.
play.
We're going to play?
Nothing I love more than sandy sunscreen.
Sweet.
So this is an update on the car. So we have had it for about a week now, but I want to show you guys what it looks like. Oh, we have a package. So Kev's just about to arrive, so I will show you when he gets. Oh, it's a bit cold. Sorry, Jacksie. Light as always. Keep in mind we've had the car for like a week already.
No. Dusty. Dusty.
It is.
How good's the soundtrack?
Hi, Lucas. What? Are you gonna say hi to me? Say hey, guys.
Hi guys.
No.
You're so cute.
No. Lucas isn't,
Hi guys. Cool.
Did you hear him?
Hi guys.
You say hi, guys.
Hey guys. Cool.
No way. No way.
What's our Huddy update? Well, Huddy doesn't have a dummy.
No more D-double-M-Y.
No dummy, just two Ellies now.
No, I'm the only dummy.
Yeah, so Huddy doesn't have a dummy anymore. And Lucas, what's our Lucas update?
Rainy.
So,
You're still cute.
Lucas is now a mute.
Lucas is getting ready for pre-kindy. For
Lucas is
pre-kindergarten.
Getting ready for pretty yeah, it's pretty funny.
Oh no, he's getting ready for kindergarten.
Show
'cause he's-
everyone your cool
Yeah, show
sandals.
us his shoes.
You jump on the ground. Go! Yeah!
Whoa! What are those?
There's nothing more exciting than light up sandals.
Okay, so how do you like the Nissan X-Trail?
It's good. It's not a Rolls Royce, but it does the job. No, it's good.
It's
Yeah.
better than the Jeep.
It's good having a car that's new and that we know is not going to explode.
Yeah,
So,
that's probably the...
oh, what's under there? Is that where the flux capacitor is? Oh, the apple's down there. Oh, well,
It's
that's
gone.
That's where the apple's going to stay. Hey, come on, mate, let's go. Come on. Buddy, buddy. Buddy, 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 buddy.
Well guys, that's pretty much the end of the vlog. This is like a full-on catch-up. I'm sorry it's been so long since we did a vlog, but I mean Jackson's probably bigger now since we recorded last. But he's a big boy. He is seriously the smiliest baby ever, if you haven't noticed. Yeah. But he's almost rolling. He's almost rolling. Actually, I'll do a quick update for you. You gonna roll or what? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I mean, eventually I'll get it, but I'll show you guys when I do. I might even have a video of it on my phone, or Kev might have a video on his phone. We'll see how we go. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Say bye.